Hi, welcome to the Family Farm Restoration. My name is Piper. I'm the marketing coordinator at RG Cowan Design Build. The goal for this project was to extend the existing porch so that the clients could use it year-round. With the beautiful view of the Colorado National Monument, they want to get as much use out of their porch as possible. In addition, the clients also wanted to update the overall look of their farmhouse. The foundation of the porch, which is almost double in size of the original, is a concrete base, which is in the color of adobe, and we printed it with a print to match some concrete on another part of the house. These wooden beams are conjoined with the roof and the concrete with steel pieces that are fabricated in-house in our own shop. Here we added a lift to raise the wood slightly above the concrete so that any moisture that sits on the concrete isn't going to be absorbed up into the lumber, which lengthens the lifespan of the wood. The clients opted for a rough cut lumber instead of a smooth one to match the wooden barn over there that's also on the property, and it is in the stain timberline. The soffit around the porch is painted white. Typically, people would stain it to match the lumber, but we painted it white to match the trim of the rest of the home. The metal roof is from Delta Metals, and it is in the color of charcoal gray. We added 7/8 corrugated steel around the dormers for that really modern edge. Along the corners, you can see that a flat metal piece was bent in a 90-degree angle to give a really clean and crisp look. The metal trim around the window seamlessly blend the glass with the steel. The clients wanted to update their roof, and they went with the asphalt shingle Malarkey in the color natural wood. We also painted the entire exterior in the Sherwin-Williams Acier color with white trim. The fans the clients selected are the Mink Air Extreme H2O in the finish brushed nickel wet. We added inset lights throughout the porch so that the clients can use this long after the sun sets. This wall is a 7/8 corrugated steel in the color charcoal gray from Delta Metals. This whole home has a very modern, neutral appearance, and so the clients decided to add a pop of color. This is the Therma-Tru fiberglass door with stain-etched clips. There is a faux oak appearance to the door, and they opted to paint it in the Sherwin-Williams color Turkish tile. This wall sconce is from the Hinckley Lighting Collection, and it is in the color satin nickel. The overall look of the home smoothly blends with the two existing structures on the property. The modern vision the client had for this home is reflected in the selection choices. The front porch is now an oasis for the owners, their friends, and their families to enjoy the beauty of Western Colorado. See you next time.